Hi, I'm Craig McLeod and welcome to Drift My Ride. Today we've got Steve and Allan in his V8 powered IS200. The Toyota 1UZ engine family is a petrol fueled 32 valve quad camshaft V8 piston engine. In its standard original trim with 10:1 compression, power output is 251 horsepower with a torque of 353 Newton meters. Originally released in 1989, the Lexus LS400 was the first model introduced with this motor. This engine was originally meant as a racing prototype for the GT500 series in the JGTC, now known as Super GT. These engines are becoming very popular choice with engine conversions as they are able to take massive power on standard internals. Hi Stephen.
How are you doing?
Not bad, thank you for coming along.
Okay.
You've bought a V8, haven't you?
Yeah.
Now this car didn't come with a V8.
No.
What was the engine it came with?
Straight 6 2 litre.
Straight 6 2 litre. And you decided that the 2 litre that was in it was gutless?
Yeah.
Which they kind of are.
Yeah.
Did you try driving it before?
Yeah, it was before. I drove it for a year, I think I did, with 2 litre.
So you decided you wanted more power, and you've done the thing that quite a lot of people, even myself, is about to do. You went with a 1UZ.
Yeah.
You've done all the work yourself, isn't it?
Most of it,
Yeah.
apart from the wiring.
What was involved in it? Obviously, pull out the engine. There's the first bit.
Yeah.
What gearbox did you use? Was it
Just a standard IS200 gearbox. Yeah.
So, conversion plate for that?
Conversion plate and modified the bell housing a little bit.
To start with the project, did you buy a car or did you?
Bought a whole LS400.
Was it a pretty easy thing to strip out? Was it?
It wasn't too bad, I just cut the front end off.
Like literally still sawed it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So where do you cut it? How do you cut, like do you literally?
The front is all one at the very front, so I just cut the high bit off and lifted it out.
And then just throw all that to the scrappies?
That was it.
It all fits, like underneath there. It's
tight, but it fits.
Yeah, but did you have to modify the inside of the engine bay at all to make it fit? Or
no, just a manifold. I had to remake a little bit to go around the steering column. I had to come around the column rather than...
So around the inside of the column, between the engine and the column?
Yes, that was it, yeah.
For the rest of the exhaust, how do you just make up your own one to do it?
Yeah, just bits and bobs that was lying about. Nothing fancy.
Yeah, so but that's one of the things with this, you have made it all with like it's all stuff that you had about and all that. It's not a case of buying lots of parts.
Most of it's Mazda 323 turbo.
Oh right, okay.
But
was it just lying about and you're like, hey, that'll do?
Yeah, that was it.
The rain's just started, which is not that good. Hopefully it's just a passing shower.
Hope so.
Yeah, what a dry track for V8 power. Gearbox, how do the ratios in that work? Is it kind of with the V8?
Seems to be fine.
Yeah, third, fourth?
Third gear.
Third gear is the kind of gear for it?
Yeah.
And so what kind of flywheel did you use?
It's a flywheel out of a MR2 turbo and a clutch out of an MR2 turbo.
Takes punishment fine?
So far. so far.
So how long have you had it running now?
6 months or so now, I think.
Driving wise, how does the car feel in comparison to what it was like before?
Everything's a lot quicker.
Things come
a lot quicker. But apart from that.
Balance wise, do you think she's quite similar?
Yeah, just the same.
Just the same, yeah. No, power delivery though will be the big thing.
The best.
It just like doesn't matter what gear, you just put your foot on the floor.
Yeah, it's night and day from the 2 litre.
So what kind of lock mods have you got done to it?
It's minty fresh lock mods. Moose, I think you call them.
Extending the bottom arm.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah, and then giving you a wider stance on the car, and then that'll be a bit more space for the wheels to turn.
Yeah, and then obviously camber arms to.
Yeah. So it doesn't sell.
Yeah, that's about it.
Some eBay coilovers, is it?
eBay coilovers, yeah.
Yep, you've done a paint job on her.
Of some sort, yeah.
Did it yourself.
Yeah.
And it's got a bit of a sparkle through it. Is it an actual paint colour though, is it?
It's black.
Alright, is it?
Yeah.
It's black and it's gone, but it totally looks purple.
Yeah.
And that's just the
purple flake in the...
That's just the purple flake.
Yeah.
So it's a black base coat with a purple flake in it.
Yeah.
I didn't realise that. I would have swore that was a purple.
A few folks said that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bodywork, you've done, rolled the arches.
Yeah. Jack pull.
Jack pull, roll it backwards and forwards.
That's it.
And you made your own bonnet though, that's
yeah, just measured it out and cut it. It was heating before I did that.
Oh right, yeah, so that is function. That's not just for style.
Yeah, that's it. It was solely because it was heating.
Okay. Bumpers?
Bumpers, Vertex kit.
So what does that Vertex kit comprise of?
Front bumper, skirts, and was a rear.
Was a rear until it got slightly taken off over the weekend.
Yeah, that was it.
Is it quite a good fit as well? Or
seems to be, yeah.
Yeah. We've got, so it's an SDC car as well, so you've got like battery box. Yeah. Nice bucket seat, keep everybody flat. And what is this thing to smash you in the face? Because this is going to. I hate passengers. And hydro in here. Yeah. Well, I think we might as well. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Take for a skid. It stopped raining, so I think we'll get a dry track. So you might as well get out there and skid it while it's dry.
Yeah.
Right.
May as well.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We've had it, so get the excuses out. It's a wee bit wet to start with, but it's kind of dried up. Right. A little bit of rubbing. It's like, where's the rubbing going to come from? Super solid handbrake. Oh, we out of gear. She's quite a bit of movement in her, isn't there? She kind of moves about a bit. And so what gear should it go for?
Maybe second.
Second, right, let's stick with second. Because
I think it was clutch back then.
Pardon?
I think it was clutch then.
Was that clutch there? Right. Let's just stick with second then. Not go too fast in here. Right. There's a lot of movement in the body.
It needs stiffer springs.
It definitely needs stiffer springs. But the engine's just there. It's just like on tap. It's just, there you go. Go for third. And he pulls in third as well, doesn't it? Transitions. Doesn't like bumps. If it is still for once, like the chassis in it, still like it's nice, it's balanced. It's, you know what it's going to do. If it didn't move about quite as much, it'd be a bit easier. She cut out there. I was thinking, why is the power steering not working anymore? The steering's good.
Steering's good,
Yeah, it's
isn't it?
really nice.
Yeah,
Like it
it's
doesn't
nice.
lock up at all,
No.
and it's got like when we were on like throwing it on masses of lock, you've got like it kind of drives itself out.
Yeah, yeah.
That mini fresh stuff's quite good. Yeah. We lost the tyre there, did we?
Yeah, was it?
I think that was a tyre, was it? I hope that was a tyre. It's just like the way the rear feels, it's totally too soft. It's way too soft.
I know it's too soft.
But
yeah.
like driving out of the corners and that, the power just goes down really nicely.
Yeah.
It's like it's not snappy or completely predictable.
No, it's got a nice grip and that.
Yeah, no, and the engines, yeah, it's good. It's really good. Like, just so easy to drive.
Yeah.
You just don't have to. Whatever speed you're doing or anything like that, just jump on the throttle and there she goes.
There she goes.
Yeah, love it. Right, hey, thank you very much, sir.
That's
really
okay.
enjoyed that.
Enjoyed it.
So if you guys like these videos, if you could please like, share and subscribe to Driftland TV, or if you could give me a follow on Facebook at Craig Does Drift and on YouTube. Right, see you in the next one, guys.